Hi everyone, this is Daniel from JuppLee, and today is Saturday. Yes, I work on a Saturday at 8:36 in the morning, the 27th of August 2022. So today I'm going to be working on an account that says it's been suspended for suspicious payment activity or suspicious payments in your account. This is one of the easiest ones. Well, I say nothing is ever easy when we deal with these suspensions, but this is one of the common ones, and one of the accounts that's been suspended that our client is working with us. And with payments, it's normally one of the easier ones to fix, so to speak. Normally, it can, like I say in my past videos, I've seen these get fixed anywhere from 10 minutes to a week. So let's just go through a few things. This is a brand new account. If I click on all time, there is no data here since it's a brand new account. This particular client, what happened? They activated the account, and instantly the account was suspended. So, a cup of coffee coming my way. Um, yeah. Now, if the account is suspended instantly, normally that's a situation where your payment profile is already in Google's system. So we never recommend that if you create an account that's suspended for circumventing system policy that you create another account. If you create another account, this is what's going to happen. I guarantee you it's going to be suspended straight away. Then this particular client has said he hasn't created any other accounts, so we always take customers at face value. So it's we're going to do the appeal now, and let's see how long it takes. So on another screen, I've done my appeal. It's taken me about an hour to put all my evidence together. We've included evidence to prove that this is a genuine business, that the card is legit, and there's no concerns, or Google should have no concerns. So I'm going to press submit now, and then let's get the appeal sent. Alright, so the appeal has been sent. Let's go ahead and refresh the screen and see if it's. It normally takes about a few minutes, so hopefully this will be done when we finish the video. So what you're looking for is contact us. If you see this little box here that says submit appeal, it means that you can submit an appeal, obviously. Now, if it's blue, if it's been blue and you've submitted the appeal and you're getting no answer, if that disappears back to red, it means Google's made a decision. And if your account is still suspended, it means you've been unsuccessful in your appeal. Sometimes I've seen the blue box here that says, okay, we've got your appeal. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks and you still haven't heard from you. If that's the case, give us a call. What we can do is we can do a fresh appeal, and reset the whole process. And look, like I said in my old videos, I understand how difficult and frustrating it can be to have your Google account suspended, because your website is down, you can't get business, you can't get leads. I fully understand, and we do our utmost best to get your account reactivated, and this is what we do. Let's see if this has been submitted yet. I've got it on the system. There we go. So our case number, guys, when you see this blue box, click on add more details, and you're looking for this case number here. It's 84900033354. And what you can't see, we've done a quick paragraph here, but we've attached documents that says that everything is good. So 0849000033 354. Alright, and again it's 8:40 AM Saturday, August the 27th, 2022. Let's see how long it takes for Google to reactivate the account. Let me check my email. You never know, they may have sent it while I was speaking to you, which it would have been nice. Like I said, we've had them done. We have had them done in as quick as like 5 minutes. So it'd be interesting to see how long it takes them to fix this account. Alright guys, thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.